Hi, I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skincare and welcome back to In the Mix. Today's about elevating your body ritual. Yes, your body. Most of us, we spend most of our time in front of our sink just looking at our face. So this is going to be a good reminder that the skin actually carries on down the body, and we also want to have good care for that part of our skin as well. Why organic? Well, why not, right? If we think about organic care for our skin and our face, we're always being very conscious of that. We're also conscious of what we're putting inside of our body, but we also want to look for body products that are going to be organic as well. What does organic ingredients do for us? We'll just always keep in mind, right? If it's coming from nature, coming off the vine, or you're getting it from the base of the garden, you're getting what nature is providing. So we're seeing high antioxidants in fruits and vegetables, herbs and spices. We're also getting all of the vitamin benefits that are there as well. And I always love to think of, well, if you're alive, right? So we are a biological being, and food as well. So like fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices are also from nature. So there is almost like a biorhythm kind of happening. So when I think of organic products and I think of my skin, I just think that they're just a perfect match because they are both coming from an organic way. So that's a nice way to look at it, and why you may want to be looking at organic products for your body as well as your face. So rituals for the body. Some of us already might be popping out of the shower and putting on body lotion, using scrubs or exfoliation treatment in the shower or in the bath, maybe adding oils to the bath water itself. Asked also, when do I do it? How often should I do it? Is it at particular times of the year? I brought up that little comment about, yes, the skin carries on throughout the rest of you, is generally when the weather starts to get warmer, spring and summer, we discover that we have more skin. So you're standing in front of the mirror and you're like, right, there's more of me than just my face, and we start to think about taking better care of that. Or we may live in very, very dry climates, could be in the winter months or just in general, any desert communities, high elevation, even where there's a lot of pollution as well. This can take a toll on the skin, and it makes us want to maybe take better care of it. So it's by exfoliating the skin and adding good hydration or moisture to it so that you're protecting that area, and also keeps the itch away. So if you are experiencing dry skin and you live in a dry climate, you get that bit of that itchiness. So this will create a lot of relief. So there's your home care end of things, but don't forget, your local spa, your Eminence spa does beautiful body treatments, so that's what they're for. Going and booking a treatment for a body wrap, which is really fun. You go in and they take care of the whole body, and the therapist wraps you up almost like a burrito, and you really get to hold on to what the treatment is providing for your skin. And when you're finished, you just feel like new. You're lighter, your skin is super smooth, it's super soft, very hydrated. So don't forget to pop into your local spa and see what they have available for body treatments as well. But then you want to continue that care at home. So this is what this is all about. And I'm really excited to share with you some of my favorite things that are going right now. And all of you there are very familiar, I'm sure, with Stone Crop. So I'm going to share our beautiful Stone Crop body collection today that everybody is going bananas for. It has a very fresh scent. Application is easy. We have a scrub for you. We have a specialized target cream and a gorgeous oil that you can take home with you. And thinking about Stone Crop as a plant and what it provides is, remember, it is a succulent. There's a lot of hydration in this plant. There's also some great treatment in this plant that will help give the skin some brightness. So we want to think of the plant as the succulent. It's going to be good for everybody, all skin types, no problem. So that is the core of this collection that I'm here to show you. So first up, always scrub. So you want to exfoliate. So you want to get going and scrub really, really well. And we have our Stone Crop Revitalizing Sugar Scrub here. Pardon me, sugar scrub. Forgive me. We've got 3 also gorgeous sugar scrubs. I wanted to point out, this is more than sugar scrub. It's a sugar salt, which is excellent. So it gives you kind of a creamier texture and just gives you a new option of more hydration. Now, when you're using a scrub, my advice, if you're in the shower, I wet the skin first, and then I just step out of the fall of the water, because if you try to do a scrub or a product and you're putting it on and the water's coming down, you're going to end up rinsing most of it off. So remember, we're exfoliating or scrubbing, so we need to get that going first. So you always want to, I'm just going to, just for the purpose of showing you today, obviously you'd use a little bit more than that. Let's just actually give you what you probably would be using in the shower. I personally love to apply it on a damp skin. So let's say I'm in the shower and I'm going, I got a bit of wet on my skin, then I'm going to take my scrub and I'm just going to go. Now, favorite locations. Get those elbows, right? This is the area that we show that dryness, especially when the weather starts to get warmer. We might be wearing singlets, we might be wearing a halter, or for you dudes out there, got your muscle shirts on. So we want to also make sure that we're taking really, really good care of your arms, your knees, the tops of your feet, the bottom of your feet as well. So manicure, pedicures, any of you out there doing those, excellent, excellent for that service as well. It removes gorgeous. So it literally, can you see that? It almost gets like to this creamy texture. Oh, it's like a lotion scrub. Love it. And then of course you would rinse it off into the shower, and then you would easily be able to towel off and rinse when you're done. Now you're out of the shower, you've dried off your body, and I like to keep the skin a little bit damp anytime I'm going to be applying a lotion or a body oil. So with the Stone Crop collection for body, we have 2 finishing products that you could use at home. We have the beautiful Stone Crop body oil, and then we also have the Stone Crop contouring body cream. So what does this mean? Well, just remember, contouring. What is contouring? It's about shape, and it's about holding things back into place, and also to minimize the appearance of maybe that orange peel effect that we might get. Okay, so this would be your target. So what I recommend here is that after you come out of the shower, you have a damp skin, just apply the contouring cream on areas that are a little bit more stubborn. So we can have the back of the arms here, of course maybe across the abdomen, and then along the side of the thigh. So this would be an excellent piece for you to hit your target areas. After you've done that application, if you want to have full hydration of the body, then you can go ahead and then apply the body oil, either on the bare areas that you didn't contour, or right over the top, and just combine it all together is completely fine. Beautiful body oil. It's a little less rich than the apricot body oil, so if you're looking for a lighter oil, this is an excellent option. So let's begin with showing you how to use the contouring body lotion. So I've got the freshly scrubbed area. Same thing, you see a beautiful Stone Crop green that we have. And I'm really a big fan of warming my creams before I do application. You get longevity, and if you do a little spin, can you see the difference in the texture now, right? We get this nice, creamy, and it's very nice, got great slip and great texture, and then it has beautiful applications. It's very easy to apply, hit those little stubborn areas, right? I'll just get this side too, because why not? Right, so that's from there, and then you would continue with your body oil. So you finished your application of the cream, then you can grab your oil. You don't need a lot, remember, it's oil and it's Eminence, so a little goes a long way. So for, I don't know if you can see, it's a little puddle in my hand. Again, warm. And then either, remember I mentioned, either go directly on top of that cream and all over the rest, or you can just hit the areas that you didn't get with the contouring cream. But I like to put everything together because I like to have it all. And then you want to just apply directly over the top. I know you can't smell this, but it is amazing. It just makes me want to do it. I'm going to have to like leave here and do it again, and I'll just grab the other half here. Now, some of you might be thinking, what if I've shaved my legs? Or any of you who do shaving, the skin can get a bit sensitive, right? Because obviously you've just shaved, so the skin can get a little bit tingly. No problem. You can use the scrub, and you can use the contouring cream and the body oil, no problem, after you've done that treatment for yourself, either waxing or basically any hair removal service. These are going to be completely fine for body rituals, people. Don't forget to take care of the rest of the body, not just the skin that you see on your face in the mirror every day. There are a few other items that you can look at from our body collection products. As I mentioned, we have 3 additional sugar scrubs. We have our beautiful new sugar salt scrub from the Stone Crop collection, and there's also additional body oils that you can also add to your ritual at home. And I'm going to leave you with one fabulous tip is bath water. Many of you enjoy taking a bath. I know it's a big favorite to use the apricot body oil, but by all means, add a capful of this into your bath water to continue that beautiful hydration, especially if you're looking at in those dry climate areas as well. So I hope you really enjoy enhancing and elevating your body rituals with Eminence Organic Skincare, and in particular our beautiful new Stone Crop body collection. I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skincare for another In the Mix, and don't forget to hit like and hit that notification so you can see more in the future. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.